Imagine despair, chaos, fear, frustration, the feeling of powerlessness and abandonment, and it is only getting worse. All you want is to close your eyes and get away. Leave this nightmare behind with our fleet management software. Now you can put everything under control. We provide a pool of features for businesses of all sizes to track mission-critical parameters, collect and analyze data for any industry, be it transportation, delivery service, logistics, tourism, construction, or mining, international or local. Our solution suits any business and seamlessly integrates with the existing ecosystem, accounting, logistics, delivery, and other apps. We deliver a working tool that helps you streamline processes and optimize resource utilization. Transform your fleet management with us.